and seized the wind, and the young man's name was Clarence Kelly Johnson. And Kelly Johnson came and designed this, which is probably one of the most beautiful shapes in the world to have been airborne. Before its time, when you look at it in certain angles, it's a stealth machine. This aircraft was designed in 1935, flew in 1936, broke all speed records, and became a long-range fighter, fighter bomber, and also a long-range reclame machine, a spy in the sky. And so we are back in 1943, and Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, one of the most gifted writers of 20th century, a very rich man who lives in a fantastic house, 4